What's up, everybody? This video is to show you how to build a walk-in shower. First thing you gotta do, obviously, is frame out your bathroom and then have your drain centered. Build your curb up with pressure treated wood if you're doing this in the basement. And then after that, you're gonna see me pour my subfloor, if you want to call it. I just did air quotes, by the way. And I'm gonna semi-slope it towards the drain. And then clean it up once it's dry. Pour my or lay out my liner, and then actually pour my my mud bed, if you want to call it, and have it slope towards the drain. You'll see that throughout the video. Here you're going to see me installing the pan liner with drywall screws. I found that was the best method for me. First thing I'm going to do is miter my back corners. Get those in, make sure the bottom is very tight against the wood. And then after that, I'm going to silicone around my drain. This way it gives it 100% water seal. Then drop the pan liner back. Cut out my screws very carefully with a sharp knife. Or utility blade, and just slipping that screw back on top of the liner and tightening it down. Cut out my hole for the drain itself, screw it back in, and I'll be good to continue on with the rest of the pan liner. First thing you want to do after you get your pan all set in is water test it. I chose to use a balloon, which is what I had available. Pumped it in there, tied it up, and filled up the pan with water. I had my mark on there like about a couple inches high, and left it overnight. Came back the next day just to make sure it was the same height. And that's how you know that your drain system's working perfectly and there's no holes in your liner. After that, you are ready to start pouring the actual pan. Wow, that was way more physical taxing than I expected. Oh, but I'm finally done. I used 4 full bags, and this is my 5th bag. Used a little bit out of it. With the green stripe. So I got all these leveled. Boom, boom, boom. Then I just had to taper it in. Sounds simple, but that shit was annoying. I left a little gap with the drain, so that way when I put my mortar and tile, the tile will be slightly higher than the drain. I don't want it too much higher. And then all the water hopefully should be flowing straight into it. So, we'll see how it goes.